So previously we learned that in a triangle, whenever we have two unequal sides, that is two sides of different lengths, then the side which is longer will have a greater angle opposite to it. Now in this video, we're going to learn the other way around. See, in a triangle, the greater angle has the longer side opposite to it. This is just vice versa of what we have learned. Previously, what did we learn? We learned that the longer side has a greater angle opposite to it. Now the other way around, that is the greater angle will have the longer side opposite to it. So let me explain this with the help of a few examples. So here we have a triangle ABC. So let's say this angle over here is 60 degrees and let's say this angle over here is 40 degrees. So we're given these two angles. Based on this, can you comment which side is longer than which? Simple. Whenever you're given two angles, which is bigger? 60 degrees bigger. That means angle B is bigger than angle C. That means the greater angle will have a longer side opposite to it. So which is the side opposite to angle B? AC. That means AC will be longer than side opposite to angle C, that is AB. Right? See, previously we learned that if AC is greater than AB, then the angle opposite to AC is greater than angle opposite to AB. Now the other way around. If angle B is greater than angle C, then the side opposite to angle B, that is AC, will be longer than the side opposite to angle C, that is AB. As simple as that. Let me take another example. Let's say this angle over here is 60 degrees and let's say this angle over here is 50 degrees. Now we're given these two angles. So what can you comment on this? Simple. Between angle P and angle R, which is bigger? Angle P. So angle P is bigger than angle R. That means the side opposite to angle P will be longer than the side opposite to angle R. So which is the side opposite to angle P? QR. So QR will be longer than side opposite to angle R, that is PQ. So this is what the theorem is. So it's basically the other way around of what we have previously learned. So remember, in a triangle, whenever two angles are given to you, you can comment on the length of the sides. That is not the exact length, but relativity. That is, if these two angles are given to you, that means QR is greater than PQ. Similarly here, angle B is greater than angle C. That means side opposite to angle B, AC, will be longer than side opposite to angle C, AB. I repeat, we do not know the exact lengths. What we know is just which is bigger and which is smaller. So remember, whenever you have a triangle, if two angles are given to you, then you can comment on the relative size on the opposite sides. So whichever is a bigger angle, the side opposite to the bigger angle will be longer than the side opposite to the smaller angle. So this is what this theorem is. Now in the next video, I'll show you how to prove this mathematically. So now in this video, I'm going to show you how to prove this theorem. So first of all, draw your figure. So I've taken a triangle ABC. Now we have to show the side opposite to the greater angle is longer. So choose any two angles. I have chosen these two angles, angle ABC and angle ACB. Now assume one of them to be bigger. So I've assumed that this angle over here is bigger than this angle. So write it over here. That is angle ABC is greater than angle ACB. So now what do we have to prove? We have to prove the side opposite to the bigger angle is longer. So which is the bigger angle between these two? This. That means side opposite to this, that is AC, has to be longer than side opposite to this, that is AB. So what do we have to prove? AC is longer than AB. So always write down given and to prove. So what is given to us? A triangle ABC in which we have assumed this angle is bigger than this. What do we have to prove? AC is longer than AB. So now let's begin with the proof. So see, in triangle ABC, if I talk about AC and AB, what are the possibilities? There are only three possibilities. Either AC will be equal to AB, or AC will be less than AB, or AC will be greater than AB. So let's write it down. So in triangle ABC, there are only three possibilities. What are the three possibilities? See, either AC will be equal to AB, or AC will be less than AB, that is shorter than AB, or AC will be longer than AB. I repeat, see, between two sides in a triangle, there are only three possibilities. Either they'll be equal, or AC will be smaller than AB, or AC will be greater than AB. So we're going to explore each of these possibilities one by one, and we're going to see which one of these is true. Right? So let's explore them one by one. So I'll take case 1. So case 1 is what? AC is equal to AB. So in case 1 we have AC is equal to AB. Now what happens when AC is equal to AB? See, in a triangle, the moment two sides are equal, what do we know? Angles opposite to them are equal. I repeat, in a triangle if two sides are equal, what does that mean? Angles opposite to them are equal. So if AC is equal to AB, this implies what is the angle opposite to AC? This angle B, that is angle ABC, will be equal to angle opposite to AB. What is the angle opposite to AB? Angle C, that is angle ACB. What is the reason behind this? In a triangle, angles opposite equal, sides are equal. So mention it over here. So remember, in a triangle, the moment you see two equal sides, opposite angles are equal. So we're getting angle ABC is equal to angle ACB. But this over here is a contradiction. Why? We're given angle ABC is bigger than this. So this over here is true. So we'll say, but this is a contradiction. Why? Because it is given to us angle ABC is equal to this. So you write over here, because angle ABC is greater than angle ACB. This over here is given to us. So please try to understand. See, if AC is equal to AB, the two angles will be equal. But this cannot be the case. Why? Because we are given the angle is bigger than this. I repeat, we are given this angle is bigger than this. So the two angles cannot be equal. So this implies AC is not equal to AB. That is, case 1 is not true. I repeat once again. See, we took the possibility that AC is equal to AB. So let's see what happens when AC is equal to AB. The moment I have two equal sides in a triangle, angles opposite to them will be equal. So angle ABC will be equal to angle ACB. But we are given that angle ABC is greater than angle ACB. So this over here cannot be true. So how do we write it? But this is a contradiction. Why? Because we are given this angle is bigger than this. So AC cannot be equal to AB. So case 1 is ruled out. Why? Because if AC is equal to AB, the two angles will be equal. But we are given this angle is bigger than this, right? So whatever is given to you, that is true. So this over here is true. So this cannot happen, right? Hence case 1 is false. So this is how we show case is wrong. I repeat once again. See, if you take AC is equal to AB, the two angles will be equal. But this cannot happen. Why? Because we are given angle ABC is greater than this. So this is not a possibility. That means case 1 is not true. So case 1 is a cross. Now let me rub this off. Similarly, we'll explore case 2 and case 3. So now similarly, let's explore case 2. So what is case 2? AC is less than AB. So in case 2, we have AC is less than AB. So what will happen? Now what is given to you? AC is less than AB. So in a triangle, if you are given one side is shorter than the other, that means angle opposite to the longer side is bigger. I repeat, previously we have learned the theorem. In a triangle, the angle opposite to the longer side is greater. So between AC and AB, which is the longer side? AB. So which is the angle opposite to AB? This angle over here. So angle ACB, that is, this implies angle ACB will be greater than angle opposite to AC. Which is the angle opposite to AC? This angle ABC. Why? Previously we have learned the theorem, that is, in a triangle, angle opposite to the longer side is greater. Mention it over here. So in a triangle, angle opposite to the longer side is greater than the angle opposite to the shorter side. So between AC and AB, which is the longer side? AB. That means angle opposite to AB, that is angle ACB, will be greater than angle opposite to AC, angle ABC. So this is the conclusion we are drawing. Now, is this correct or not? See, we are getting angle ACB is greater than angle ABC. What is given to us? The other way around. So again, this is a contradiction. So again, write over here, but this is a contradiction. Why is this a contradiction? Because we are given the other way around. What is given to us? We are given that angle ABC is greater than angle ACB. This over here is given to us. So remember, whatever is given to you is always true. Right? That means case 2 is not a possibility. I repeat once again. See, in case 2 we assume that AC is less than AB. Now the moment I see two sides of a triangle and a less than sign, that means angle opposite to the longer side is bigger. So angle opposite to AB is bigger than angle opposite to AC. So we're getting angle ACB will be greater than angle ABC. Is this the case? No. We're given the other way around. We're given angle ABC is greater than angle ACB. So this over here cannot happen. So case 2 is not true. So right over here, this implies case 2 is not true. Right? So we can put a cross around case 2. So now, as you can see, in a triangle ABC, there can be only 3 possibilities. Since case 1 and case 2 are not true, this implies case 3 is true. Right? So this is how we prove it. I repeat once again. See, in a triangle ABC, between two sides, there can be only 3 possibilities. Either AC is equal to AB, or AC is less than AB, or AC is greater than AB. Since these two cases are not true, that means the third case has to be true. So let me rub this off and let me write it. So previously we saw that case 1 and case 2 are not true. Why? They are contradicting this fact given to us over here. That means case 3 has to be true. So that's what I've written over here. Since case 1 and case 2 are not true, therefore case 3 has to be true. What is case 3? AC is greater than AB, hence proved. Right? So remember, whenever you have such type of proofs, sometimes it is not very evident. Right? Like for example, this proof over here, we're using proof by contradiction. So what is proof by contradiction? We take an assumption and we show it to be false. Right? For example, see, always remember, whatever is given to you is very important. What is given to us? Angle ABC is greater than angle ACB. So this over here is true. If you're getting anything which is opposite to this, it is not true. So first of all, we took case 1. We saw the two angles are equal. It cannot be. So this is not true. Next, we saw AC is less than AB. We got opposite of this. Angle ACB greater than angle ABC. Again, it is opposite to this, so it cannot be. Right? So this over here is proof by contradiction. What is proof by contradiction? Take an assumption, show it to be false. How do we show it to be false? If you're getting a result which is not the same as this. See, whatever is given to you is true. This over here is true. If you get anything which is not this, that is, it is opposite to this, that is, if I get an equal to sign here, like in the first case, or a less than sign over here, that means this over here is not true. So we saw that case 1 and case 2 are not true. Why? They are contradicting this fact over here. Hence proof by contradiction. So case 1 and case 2 are contradicting this fact. Hence they are not true. Now there are only 3 possibilities. Since these 2 are not correct, it has to be the third one. What is the third one? AC greater than AB, which is exactly what we have to prove. So remember, in a triangle, if you're given 2 angles, side opposite to the greater angle will be longer than the side opposite to the shorter angle. So between these 2 angles, which is bigger? This. So side opposite to this, that is AC, is longer than side opposite to this, AB, and vice versa. Right? So we have learned 2 theorems. In a triangle, if 2 unequal sides are given to you, angle opposite to the greater side is bigger. Similarly, if 2 angles are given to you, then the side opposite to the greater angle is longer. Right? So now let's have a look at a few examples on how to apply this concept.